Ako si Thea, sweet, charming, definitely not your ordinary kolehiyala. Maraming gustong manligaw sa akin. But I'm madly in love with my textmate, Justine. Day and night, magka-text kami. Yes, I have deeply fallen in love with him. Haha, you're making bolami na naman. Kinikilig talaga ako sa bawat text niya. I think he's the man for me na. And finally, after a month, pumayag na din siyang makipag-meet sa akin. And I'm so ready to say yes if he asked me to be his girlfriend. This is it!
Hello there. I'm Justin.